It's time to play Stump the Viewer. That'd be you, where the host of the show, that'd be me, shows you 5 unusual items. See how many of these you can identify and put your score in the comments. And the winner gets bragging rights. Now, actually, I'm going to select one random winner to receive my new Slip and Shine product. The amazing and convenient wax and lubricant, good for just about everything. Now, who's ready to play Stump the Viewer? I would say that guy was a little too excited. All right, let's begin with item number 1. I'll start you off with an easy one. If you know that this is an old film reel, give yourself half a point. To earn the other half, you're going to need to know what size film reel that this is. No, it's not 16. But if you guess 35 millimeter, then you get a whole point. This one's a tough one. Let me get a little closer. This is made by the Stanley Company. Some woodworkers still use these types of tools today. This is a Stanley number 50 combination plane. If you said the word plane anywhere in your guess, you get a point. This particular plane is very old. The design indicates that it was made before the year 1900. It has a patent date of September 11th, 1883. Here's a newer model so you can see how this worked. It has different cutting blades depending on the cut you need. I've never seen a tool like this until recently. This is the patent for when it was filed in 1958. It's a tile holding tool for when you need to cut circles or other shapes in the middle of the tile. I've never seen a tool like this in any store, so I'm not even sure if this thing is still made. The tool that I've always used for this job is my left hand. On this 4th item, I have a general idea of what it is. The specific use, however, still stumps me. I know that it's an oil lamp, but the shape of it is really confusing. It has 4 wick posts, one which points outward. It's not bent, it's made this way. This cap is where you fill it with oil. The wick should pick up some of the oil if it's long enough. This one's too short, so I cut a couple of new ones to fit. It seems to work pretty well. At first it gives off some black smoke, but then it settles down. Even outdoors with a little wind, it works pretty well. If you knew that this was an oil lamp, give yourself a point. If you know exactly what it's used for, let me know in the comments section of this video. This is an 18-pound metal case. Do you know what it was used for? Let me show you the inside. If you still don't know, let me give you a clue. The clue is item number 1. This is a 35 millimeter film reel carrying case. It holds 3 reels. It's stamped with the name Republic Pictures, which went out of business in 1959. We know that it's at least that old. Well, that's it. 5 items, 5 points. How'd you do? Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. To be honest, I didn't know what they all were at first either. So put your score in the comments and I'll put the top scores into a drawing to win some Slip and Shine, the amazing wax and lubricant. The can alone has such a cool design, it's worth the price of admission. I'm Tom. This is Alley Picked. Thanks for watching.